In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily transform default text plus effect into something like this. I got already a couple of videos on my channel where I explain in more details text plus effect. I strongly recommend you to check it out if you're a beginner. And today, let's focus only on this effect. Okay, so I got already in my timeline a text plus. I changed the text to fast. So first what we're gonna do is to change the boldness to extra bold italic, so it's tilted a bit. And I'm gonna increase size, of course, and track. The rest of the magic is happening in the shading tab, so let me quickly go there. In element number 1, we're gonna switch from solid to gradient. And we're going to change the gradient color to red. So I select the second color of my gradient and let me switch it to red, like so. We need to further customize it. Right now I don't like the mapping angle, so you can change it like so. As you see, we are in the character mode. If you change it to text, the angle is behaving differently, but we want to have characters. And I think this is pretty much it as far as element number 1 is concerned. I will return to element number 1 maybe later if I need to further customize it. Now let's go to element number 2. You need to enable it so you can see what exactly it does. So as its name is suggesting, it's red outline, and this is basically what we see when we enable it. The color is red, but we're gonna change it to gradient as well and change the color of it. If you scroll down, there is a softness section. So what I like to do is to increase the X softness so this outline is blurred. Let me set it to max. But as you see, the blurriness is on both sides. So you can further customize it using position, and I will offset it to maybe to the left. The cool thing about this outline is that you can change the line style from solid to, let's say, dash dot dot. And I think I need to increase the X softness even more, so you can put manually the number you want. Let's say 30, and let's correct the mapping angle as well. And this is what we've got. Now, the important thing here is if you scroll down in the position section, there is a priority where you got back and front. I think we need to move it to the front, like so. To make it more visible, increase the glow in the softness section. Of course, don't exaggerate with it. Okay, let me go back to the element number 1 and I'll try to further customize my gradient. So as you see, I can drag this little triangle of the black color and further customize it. I think I will bring it a bit to the right, like so. I'm gonna also further customize my red outline, so let me go back to second element and I will increase the thickness just a tiny bit, okay? And of course the gradient as well, like so, and a bit more of glow. Okay, that's it. Now go to element number 3. This is actually black shadow, so let me enable it. We can't see it because our background is black, but I'm gonna change it to red. But I need to change this position. So in the position section, let me hover it under, yeah, like so. I think my second element is too visible, so I will go back to it, and in the properties opacity, I will decrease it to something like this. So as you see, everything was done in Text Plus using shading tabs. What I added also on top of it was a zoom blur effect. So if you go to effects and search for zoom blur, make sure you are searching in all folders. Yeah, that one, and apply it on the text. Enable Open Effects Overlay to see some of the parameters on the screen. For instance, the center position. Don't exaggerate with the zoom amount, of course, but by applying this effect, you can enhance this dynamic effect even more. Okay guys, so that would be it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't already. If you're into text effects, I strongly recommend you to check out my product. Hopefully you're gonna like it. Cheers and see you in the next one.